Hi, I'm Zahra, registered dietitian and functional nutritionist at Vitalia Healthcare. If you have been dealing with bloating, fatigue, or hormonal struggles, or you've tried everything to lose weight and nothing sticks, you are probably tired of being handed a generic meal plan and sent on your way. That's not what we do here. I work with people through gut conditions like IBS, SIBO, and celiac disease, autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto's, perimenopause, and weight loss, including support if you are on a GLP medication like Ozempic. At Vitalia, I work side by side with our naturopathic doctors. They find the root causes. I build a nutrition plan around it, practical, personalized, and designed around your life. I would love to be part of your journey.